Tell the kids what you're doing today, sir.
Well, we're going to replace the front axle with this one. I'm going to put a 6K. Uh, this is overstrung screen, so I think it has been.
What do you
Actually,
think?
he used this. We need to use the same freaking. Well, I don't need to take the screen anyway. The only thing with it, I can use my impact to take it out of the bolt at the top because we just don't have a room on it. I need to do it by hand with my freaking.
Well, that's going to change it from a 15-minute job to a
Oh, yeah.
45-minute job.
Yeah, because I don't have any ratchet to use it to take the screw bolts out. So, it's heavy.
What is?
So, we're gonna put in my full shit right here, one on the other side.
So we're swapping out the axle on this RV from a 4,400 pound axle to a 6,000 pound axle. The customer already came and purchased one 6K from us and swapped out the other one. And now we're doing the second one for it because those 4,400 pound axles that come on RVs, nobody stocks. It's hard to find parts for them, and then parts for them are super expensive. So he's just going with the 6K like a lot of people do. And Chewy and Danilo are going to swap it out and make it easy peasy for him, and they're going to show you how, step by step. Watch the full video on YouTube. Alright, so what's step one, sir?
Okay, we need to take this. So I need to find out another socket for this look.
Oh man, he has the locking things on it.
Yeah, good thing he just lifted the socket for this thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit take time to take it by hands. I mean, I use like a manual ratchet anyways.
To take what up?
The U-bolts.
Why can't you get them with a ratchet?
I have a 90-degree ratchet. I mean, electric.
What do you mean?
See, the U-bolts is in the top. Those,
Oh yeah, because it's, yeah.
this one don't fit right there.
Oh, you need a miniature backpack one. It's a cardboard. I'm not going to be able to record without getting soaking wet. You're not going to be able to change it. I'm going to go find you some cardboard, sir.
Yeah, this is weird. Equalizer bar. I see this one look like.
I mean, I've seen some flat ones like the one you helped that guy out the other day that came in,
I would say
but it wasn't that big.
This RV is way heavy for the screen. You see the screen how it looks like a straight already?
Yeah.
That's way too
So everybody I pretty much talked to that buys these kind of trailers, not this brand specific, but just trailer, like RVs in general, they always put them with 4,400 pound axles on there. So it's rated right at exactly what the RV weighs, okay? So the RV's probably weighs 8,800, 9,000 pounds, and that's empty before you put water in it, before you put your stuff in it, before you put your dog in it, and everything else. So they're literally giving you no room to put anything else inside this RV. They're just making it like legally rated for the RV, and that's it.
Yeah.
So then when you put 500 gallons of water in it, or however many, and everything else, all your crap that you're hauling around, and
I tried to pick it up with the jack. 3-ton jack. It doesn't.
yes, that's pretty heavy. He probably has water. Oh. And so this is a 4,400 pound axle right here, which is a 6 lug. What is that? Is that a 4,400 pound axle? Yeah, so it's a 4,400 pound axle with a 3-inch tube. So it has the 3,500 pound hub on it with the 6 lug, with the 10x2 brakes, just like the 3,500 pound, but it has a 3-inch tube, making it a 4,400 pound. Crazy. So a 4,400 pound axle has the 3,500 pound brakes on it, but it's a 6 lug hub, which can be 3,500 pound. But it has a 3-inch tube on it, like a 5,200 pound and 6K, 7Ks. But it has the small brakes, like 3,500 pound. That's strange.
Well, they use it actually. If you had that kind of house, basically you got the same spindle with a 3,500 pounds axle.
Yeah.
The same freaking bearings, you know, the little bearings on it. So it
Same.
don't make sense just only get like a 3-inch pipe and like a small spindle on it for the tank.
Same concept as like a hybrid 8K. There you go. This is like a. This is
Kind of
just like
fake.
that.
Kind of fake.
¿Le va a cambiar la media?
No, porque no cambiaron las de atrás, las de atrás tienen las mismas.
¿Le va a la misma media? Le va a quitar la
Sí, nomás la voy a quitar de arriba.
He's having to do this by hand because he can't get his drill in
It's
there.
not really tight.
So if you have a miniature one, that might help. So this is step 2. And what size? What size?
This is a 22 or 7/8.
22 or 7/8?
Yeah. This is 22, but I still use the 7/8.
So dose.
Yeah. Make a noise for people say, oh, there's a lift. Yeah. So good. I'm dropping it. Not bad anyway. Vaya, güey.
Me voy lento, tío.
Ve, trate el otro 22, allá se cae, ve quitando el otro lado.
¿Dónde quedó?
Está arriba de la mesa de mi papá.
Alright, so Danilo's just taking off the U-bolt on that side. Yeah, so it's a 4-leaf spring. I'm thinking those springs are just the 1750 springs. I mean, they might be the heavier ones, but the leaves are a little thicker that are rated for a little bit more weight. Maybe rated for the axles, 4,400 pound axles, but. And look at this. Would you look at this? The hole underneath is just this little plastic, what is that even called? It's like the. Just a little plastic
Yeah,
little
I know it.
sheet.
Actually, it's 50 inches.
And there's not much to these things at all.
It's like a 1/8.
Know what?
This the flange with a beam. Looks like a 1/8 thickness.
I don't think these things are made to last for a long time.
That's why all the time the hanger, it's already doing like this number.
I do
It's
see
easy,
that.
it's easy to break in this thing. It's not the same thing.
Okay, so now we just drop it. Huh? Just lowering that axle down nice and easy.
Yo no tengo nada.
Alright, so we're using a Carter 6,000 pound electric brake axle, 85 inch hub face, 68 and a half. 68 and a half inch spring pad. So we had to actually move the spring pads to 68 and a half for this application and re-weld them. And the springs are going to be on top of the axle here. And let's just slide it in. Easy.
Hey. Thank you.
So they're just getting it lined up with the spring pad. And then they're just going to attach the U-bolts back onto the axle to secure it onto the springs.
Espérame tantito, Dani. We use the same U-bolts on the backside, so he don't use this one.
I think that's why he left them out here, because he bought them last time, but he just reused the old ones.
Yeah, because
they're
it's coming
still
out
good.
easy, the other one anyway.
Yeah, so
I mean, I use the same one. I mean,
yeah, might as well. They're still good.
yeah, I mean, he coming out easy. Yeah, vamos a usar la misma. Okay. That's...
They're a little bit.
What?
It might be faster. So you're just attaching the U-bolts just like so. Make sure not to pinch your wires in there whenever you do it. And make sure the wires are always coming out the back side facing the back of the trailer, or the RV in this case. That's how you'll know you got them on correct. The wires will always be facing towards the back. That's how you'll know left or right. One way.
No trajimos una de media, ¿verdad? Estamos en el saque de media, viejo. Mira. Pasamos, Dani, espérate eso, chico.
Like that is go. Chuy, what are you doing?
Ahorita estoy quitándole esos tornilletes.
Te sientes como periodista,
Se
pues.
siente como Raúl de Molina.
¿Te pregunto por qué está bonito o no? Aquí no.
Oye. Dame la llantita ahí. Necesito sacar. No sé ni cuál fue la que hizo el viejito. No.
Que no va a quedar, ¿o qué?
No. Es que dijo que una de estas no la pudo poner, dijo. Oh, pues ahí se nota, ¿no? ¿O esta no traía la cosita de aquí?
Que ahí está.
¿La tapita? ¿Ese ring no traía tapita?
No, mira. ¿Va de aire?
¿Cuál?
¿Va de aire la que tiene?
Debe estar ahí, ¿no? Dani, ¿y cuándo vas a conseguir la gente con mi carro?
Pues no me dejas ir a trabajar.
Te dejo ir aquí a las 5:30 para que vaya.
Yo le voy a mi patrón que esté en trabajo. Que me ayude. Ahora grabando, me pasa.
Ya tengo hambre.
Me too.
Entonces le podemos estar con la ventana más antes que empecemos a mover el control.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Danilo, ayer vendiste fácil, vendiste unos, muy poco, unos $3,000-4,000 en puras flores. Ah, sí.
Oye, adiós, que a ver.
Más todo lo que vendes en la pulga el fin de semana. Me imagino que llegas a la pulga, ¿va? Esta tuerca ya no sirve. Fíjate adentro con el patrón.
Yeah. Estamos en la oficina.
What's that, sir?
You need to put it back in this side and that way.
Wow. I really be done by the time I get back.
So this customer, he left this one, his wrist cap. And he said he tried to put it in the back axle, but I don't know what side it is. This side or the other side.
Well, and yeah, you got to take off the whole damn wheel.
Oh
and do
my
that.
gosh.
What, he asked you to do that?
So, what about if you drop it with the little plastic in the
You
cap?
still,
Because the other side don't have the plastic cap.
the little plastic piece is not big enough to slide the grease
No,
cap
I
in there.
see, but we want to see which one is the one that I don't want to take it this one and then.
Well, sure, it wasn't this one. Look at this one. This one had grease all inside of it.
Yeah, but I say, what about if you pop this little plastic? For
Yeah, then you'll be able to see which one is which.
Yeah, that's-
Just don't break it.
The other side don't have it.
Because I think I sold the last two I had the other day. And they break just the little plastic replacement piece. Yeah, they break real easy because they're
Oh.
just cheap plastic.
So, well, I need to lift a little bit more. Levántalo un poquito porque. Yeah,
So you,
Hey.
oh, so you adjusted the brakes. You wired it up.
Yeah.
Anything else people need to know? Any tips or tricks, sir?
I don't think so.
Find the chewy.
That's pretty simple. Everything. I mean, that's normal to do. Verify everything, wiring the right.
It's real easy because the axles are under the springs.
Yeah, we don't need to break it down. Any spring and nothing else. Just extra default.
Blah.
Actually, they need to change those things. Those lug nuts, it's not good anymore. I mean, it's hard to sound with those. A few of those, they don't go easy to all the way. I mean, it's freaking, yeah.
Oh, bring it up.
Yeah, I need to go out.
You gotta sit down in it. Okay. There's four.
Maybe because it's them. The other one, this one is good.
Okay.
I don't
So
know.
yes.